Welcome back, guys, to the channel, Niche Wholesaling. Joel signing in.
Agalicious Lou here.
So today, guys, we got a bunch of questions regarding wholesale fire damage houses. So we found a few questions on Bigger Pockets, and we're gonna take them to the board and get those questions answered for you guys, so you guys can make a ton of money wholesaling fire damage houses like us.
Right, and don't forget, we're Niche Wholesale, we focus on fire damage. Why should you listen to us? We did $1 million last year. We did $1 million last year, all right? So we're gonna answer your questions. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna take it to the whiteboard. We're gonna pass down our knowledge to you, and hopefully, like he said, you know, we can make some money together, we can JV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you're already part of our community, thank you for being here. If you're new, welcome. Let's go.
Let's win together. All right, guys, we're back at the board. So, first question.
Question number one, has anyone ever wholesaled fire damage houses before? And is flipping these type of properties any different from a regular wholesale non-fire damage house?
That's a two-part question. First answer, yes. Right? We've done it, right? This is what we do. This is what we teach. Number two, they ask, is flipping this any different from flipping regular houses? The answer is no, it's not any different. It's a full rehab, right? You may have to get a certificate of occupancy depending on how bad the fire was, but that's probably the only addition you'll need. All right, next question.
All right, guys, question number two is, would you recommend starting out at a 50% or 60% repairs for a property?
This is good, very good question. So we went over this on one of our previous videos. So this person's asking, would you start at 50% of the ARV minus repairs, right? And we've taught you that the repairs, you should always estimate 100,000 per 1,000 square feet. Okay. If you can start here in a hot market, you're gonna win. You're gonna get a really good deal. So let's just throw an example out there, right? So if the ARV is 1 million, and I've seen this done before, fire damage homes in the millions in California, someone can get it at, let's say 50%, so you're at 500K, right? Minus repairs. Let's say this home is in LA, right? So it's a small home, it's 1,000 square feet, it goes for $1 million. I know, bizarre, right? So you're gonna assume 100K rehab, and your MAO is gonna be 400K. And guys, sorry, I'm kind of slow at the math, but I do have a math degree or a math minor, whatever. So your MAO is gonna be 400K. So if you can get the seller anywhere around here, this number, a little below, let's say you get the contract for 360K, honestly, you know this ARV, this is a huge spread. You can sell this thing and make a 200K assignment, and your buyer can make a 200K assignment. So yes, we do agree with this type of formula. Start at 50% if you can, minus the rehab. Question number three.
All right, guys, question number three. What are the best ways to find fire damage homes?
That is a great question. So there's a few ways, a ton of ways, and you'll find this in some of our videos. So probably the best way would be going to the city. This is the easiest way. Typically, it doesn't cost money. Any major city you want to reach out, some cities will cost money. You can file a public records request, and they'll give you a list, if you ask for a list of home fires, house fires in the last 30 days, in the last 60 days, and the last 90 days. We've even gotten a list in the last year, right? And there were 12,000 property fires in the last year on one of the lists that we did pull. So we believe this is the best way to find fire damage properties. Just go right to the source. The city has all the data. All right, question number four.
All right, guys, question number four. Let's see here. I am actively looking for fire damage properties in Florida. Is anyone interested in buying?
That's a great question. I know where to find one of the best buyers in Florida. You want to Google this website, Fire Cash Buyers, right? These guys, Florida is one of their best markets. How do I know? Because that's us. We buy in Florida. So if you guys got any deals in Florida, Fire Cash Buyers, Google us. I think there's no more questions.
I think that's it.
So those were all the questions we found on Bigger Pockets. We try to answer them to the best of our knowledge. And remember, why should you listen to us? Because we've done $1 million in 1 year wholesale fire damage houses. So we know what we're talking about, and we're always willing to learn more and give back to you guys. So if you guys want to do deals with us, JV with us, but join our Facebook group, go to our website and email jv@firecashbuyers.com. And then one last thing you guys need to keep in mind, we have these big plans for you, right? We're gonna skip trace the fire damage list, and we're gonna give it to you guys free. All you gotta do is call. Let's do a deal together. We're setting you guys up to win. All right, signing out. Peace.
Peace.